So guys, kumakain ako ngayon. Yung ulam ko, it's vegetable. I'm eating sweet potato tops. With soup number 5. Adobong fish. Fish with sauce. With soy sauce and garlic. Onion and oil. So that is the ingredients of my meals. It's so very delicious. You know, I'm stop talking while I'm eating because you know it's not good for other countries. But it's really important. With drinking coffee, it's 3:35 in the afternoon here in the Philippines, but this is my breakfast now. I'm rest day. I'm inside the house. You know, I'm too much busy person, so that I'm late eating breakfast. This is my meal. Eating adobong fish. Here in the Philippines, it's called adobo. The fish, I will put soy sauce, oil, garlic, and onion. With salt and pepper. It's so very delicious. Bye. Thank you for watching. And thank you for always stay with me. You choose me as your channel. And thank you for the Hidden Truth Oracle Love Spill. The meaning tarot.